Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, let's go ahead and pick a winner. So here is my last video. We're going to do a random picker from there. So all the requirements were to be a subscriber, like my videos, and also comment on each one. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. Okay, get comments. 47, scroll down here. And let's go ahead and start. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Eve Ara. Love watching your thought process on how to put these beauties together. The polar bear is so cute. Love it. This hop was so much fun. So Eve, please DM me. You have won my giveaway. Yes, DM me on Instagram. Congratulations. I'm so excited that you won. Yeah, so hit me up on Instagram and I will get you your prize. You guys, like always, stay tuned for another video. Bye.